Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Bob. We're looking at his 65 Ford Ranchero. We're out on the coast today, Humboldt County. It's a beautiful day. And wow, this is a beautiful car. Check out that color. It just pops. It's got the old school Krager SS mags on it. It's got a recently rebuilt 302 V8, a rebuilt transmission, bucket seats, automatic. Got a few goodies. Got a real nice body. Beautiful color. Check out the back. Clean as a whistle. Let's take a peek inside. Got Jerry Platt with me today. Helping pops out. Grant steering wheel. Dakota gauges. Got nice bucket seats. Good upholstery. It's got a Borgeson box and pump, Petronics ignition. It's got air conditioning. It's got heat. It's got a Edelbrock car armored intake, and it's got Willwood front disc brakes. So pretty tasteful build. Pretty sweet build. So if you like these little Falcon type Rancheros like I do, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. My phone number is 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com for email. Plattmotors.com is my website. I took a bunch of still pictures. Please check them out there. I also advertise on Hemmings, ClassicCars.com, Auto Trader Classics. We just linked up with Classic.com and my own website. So this one's next. Beautiful 65 Ford Ranchero. Turnkey, ready to go. Everything's fresh. And she's ready to enjoy this summer. Have some fun. Drive a Ranchero. Appreciate you looking at my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.